to sleep, I fold up the map. A night with only the gas tank filled, leaving yesterday in the rearview mirror. I jump past the lonely light of a convenience store, drive out my car